world where technology is constantly evolving, we know solving problems efficiently means solving problems in real time. In collaboration with Microsoft 365 Remote Assist and HoloLens 2, we are reimagining on-site support, bringing together the right people with the right expertise to help you install, troubleshoot, and repair your equipment with confidence and ease. United over time and distance when travel is not always easy or cost-efficient. With the combination of augmented reality and remote mentoring technology, our professional staff of engineers and technicians will collaborate with your team by giving you immediate solutions, anytime, anywhere.